Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to properly clean and season your cast iron skillet. Now cast iron has its earliest origins between 800 and 700 BC in China, and it was used for pots and pans as well as simple tools. However, it wasn't mass produced until the 14th century AD. Today we have a variety of different metals that we use for our pots and pans, including stainless steel, Teflon, and copper. However, cast iron continues to be popular for its durability and its capability of evenly distributing heat and holding on to that heat. Alright, let's do it. Alright, so we're going to start cleaning this now, and we're going to use hot water, but we're not going to use soap. And the reason for that is cast iron is a very porous metal, so all that soap is going to get stuck in there. It's going to season your food with soap. You don't want that. So all we're doing here is we're wiping it with the hot water. And a little trick, if it's not coming off particularly well, is we can use a bit of salt as an abrasive. Alright, so now as you can see, the debris is all moved from it, so we'll move on to the next step. Alright, so for the next step, I'm putting it on a burner. I'm going to put it on some high heat. I'm going to first dry it out with a paper towel. Then I'm going to put some oil into the pot. Any oil will do. And I'm going to rub it into the cast iron. Just get it well covered. Then I'm going to leave this on the heat until I start seeing smoke. Smoke is coming off of it. So I'm going to turn it off the heat. Now the smoke is a good indicator that we've gotten this pan hot enough that it's killing any sort of potential bacteria left from the pan itself. So it's properly seasoned, properly heated. That's it. Thanks for watching.